So I got a new turbo blanket for, not turbo blanket, but the turbo manifold blanket. Let's see. So this is how it looks. Looks like carbon fiber. It's pretty cool. Nice. Well, guess that's how it's gonna sit. It's pretty cool. Alright, so it comes with these wires. Let's see. Yeah, so you're just gonna run it through here, like bend it. Just make like a loop. Here, and then you just want to close this one. There you go. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Like that. Another one. So I took it for a test drive with the new manifold blanket. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's smoking. I don't know if that's maybe because it was dirty a little, or there was like oil somewhere. But yeah, it's smoking. Alright, check this out, guys. I got a new oil cap. Shout out to Mr. GSX for sending this to me. He sent this to me and I'm gonna send him this one back. Just because he wants to keep his car period correct, and might as well help another DSMer out with period correct part. So he sent me this one, which is a JMF. A purple one. There it is. So the only thing you really need to do for this one is grab your OEM oil cap, and you're gonna take this off as well as the gasket, which is right here, and it just goes, the gasket goes on like that. Gonna take this off, Phillips head screwdriver. I don't know what size this is, hold on. So it's a 5/16. Take that off. Rip. I've got it. Bam. Put this back on. All right. All right, there it is, guys. Sick. See how it looks. Bam. Pretty snug fit. Cool.